Xin Chao, what's up everybody? Before this, I'm sure you'll see a drone intro of this, but we are over at the river in District 2. This is one of the brand new finished apartment complexes over here. It is fast becoming a very hot area. We're over in Thiem. In the next few weeks, we're going to take a look all over at Thiem, Empire City, here. Grand Marina's already filmed and drone filmed, so you're going to see all kinds of apartments. This apartment here is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 94 meters at $30 million, including management fee. I know in your head immediately you're going, that's expensive, but you have to realize that including the management fee is a pretty big deal. These management fees can be anywhere from $4 to $8 million in these places, so you're saving $200 right there. It does not come with a fridge. This is a completely empty unit, which is, these are the type of units I do prefer to get. This has never been lived in before. This is brand new. The guy that owns it's next to me right now. It has a washer and dryer on-side combo, so you can set up both if you wish, but I would just still get a 2-tron one and put it in here. The location's very desirable, in my opinion. You'll see in the drone footage, you've got the secure doors with the, this building does not allow Airbnb as well, which is the big problem with these Thiem apartments right now. So this apartment building, this entire complex allows no Airbnb, so you can't do any short-term rental, so you're not gonna have any bull crap with like that going on around here. You get an ever-evolving view back here of these new apartments coming up. You're gonna hear some little construction work over here, but it's gonna go away, and once you shut these doors, all this stuff's soundproof. I promise you're not gonna really hear much. The big thing with the river is the size. The living room's absolutely gigantic, as you can see. You've got plenty of storage as you come on into the left-hand side for storing shoes, coats, jackets, all that stuff. And then as you come down the hallway, you have your first bathroom over here on the right. That is for the first bedroom, the not master, which is a very stunning looking bathroom. You know, smart toilets and all that stuff, I imagine. I don't know if it has a bidet. No bidet. This has just been sitting since it was built. Duravet, it's all good stuff. Not the craziest top of the line finishes, but this place is space is what you're getting. So just big and spacious, you know. For bedrooms in Vietnam and these kind of apartments right now, this is very big. I like what they did with the air cons. It's ugly. There maybe could have been a better solution, but it's better than having it on your porch. This allows you to use your porch at all times of the day. So, and then again, this is a very big bedroom for these type of apartments. Like, you're not getting bedrooms this big in Golden River or, yeah, like look at this master. The master's huge. And all this lighting. It might not look it on the Sony. Let me turn on the other camera too. Just to get the secondary view. It might not look like it on the Sony, but this is a monstrously huge room. And again, dude, 30 million, you guys can negotiate. Nothing's set in stone. If you're willing to pay 5-6 months up ahead of time, you're good to go. You have to understand that this location is really good because Sala is right here. I think it's right in front of this building. You can't see it, but literally Sala Mall is right here. 4K, bunch of restaurants. There's all kinds of stuff opening up here. This is just a super up-and-coming area, so you would be really coming in ahead of the ball, you know? All the same finishes that all these new high-end places have right now. And then here's the master. No bathtub, Duravet, good as chips, you know? I don't know if we're gonna take a look at a 2-bedroom or what. We'll take a stroll around the grounds and stuff too, so you'll get to see the rest. For 30 million, if you could get this down somewhere around 25,000 bucks. If you're around $1,000 a month for this, you're pretty good. And before you start saying District 7 and all that stuff, your location is so much farther. We're gonna cover that, and then I'm gonna explain that you're living in a suburb out there. We're covering the interior of Saigon right now, pretty much District 1 and Thiem, which are pretty much easily accessible in the District 1. So yeah, that's the video. Like I said, negotiations would need to be made, but this allows you to pick everything you want. So let's see what else this place has to offer. including management. He uses it like kind of as an office towel. It's a little bit like the other one. He put a fridge in. It's like kind of half. Yeah. He put the little washroom. Vietnamese love doing this stuff. Finish out with like the cheapest possible things. It just seems to be the way. Decent TV. So another 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So like really the Thiem, you'll see as we go to all these places, the active price for Thiem, this guy lives there. The active price for Thiem right now is like a 2-bedroom's going for somewhere around 25 to 30 million. You'll see it's a Thiem everywhere. But these are all brand new builds, you know. Most of these places are dog friendly. Is this place dog friendly? Can you have dogs here? Emily? Can you have pets here? Dogs? Pets? Can you have animals? Here's the first bedroom.
Cái này phải hỏi bên ban quản lý. Ban quản lý là chủ tư ấy, người ta cho thì mới được mua, không cho đâu.
Try to ask all the questions that people ask. It's the same setup as the last one. They're kind of using the same setup all around. He's got the aircon here, smart. One room. Room he sleeps in. So just he comes down here. My last place, Hanoians owned it, and they would come down and stay at the. And then they think they can invest in it. Yeah, it's nice. Pretty much same as the other. Well, I'll show you the grounds, the pool, and the gym, and we'll fly the droner. And then if you're interested in getting this, sign up for the Patreon. There is now in the description, a Patreon tier for apartments. So just sign up to the Patreon tier, send me a DM. I will go on the call when you want to look at apartments. I'll set up the appointments and we'll go together. And we'll get you your new house. And here's this one. Yeah. Okay. All right, these are the grounds of the river, Hudson, Thiem. They're all different kind of buildings called different names. Like I said, what you're seeing, you're thinking it's expensive, but I'm telling you guys, these are brand new projects. They're very well built and they're very well located. Location is playing a gigantic factor in the price of these. Albeit, I'm going to be honest with you because I'm always honest, the location at the river is not the best. If you guys are interested in a unit, we'll go to town. We'll try to make an incredible deal happen for you. But I think we could probably get you in a 2-bedroom for somewhere around 25 with no furniture here. And probably get you into a 1 around 20 with no furniture. So realistic prices, most likely. But that's with you putting down a hefty little deposit. You know, they like it when you put money down. So yeah, it's very nicely done. Like the interior of it, as we're walking through, this reeks of premium quality. I'm not gonna lie. You've got a nice big lap pool. That's a proper kind of pool. This is the type of pool you want to see. You know, you can actually run a lap down here. This is proper. They just have the moke pool, one. And baby, yeah, right. Everybody has these tiny little children pools now with like literally 2 inches deep of water. In the gym? Okay. Whatever you want to show me. Yeah, right. Okay. So long, huge lap pool, proper length. This is exactly like a Golden River pool. So premium pool. Unlike Grand Marina, which doesn't even have really a pool. They're kind of just wading pools, you know. Which for the average person, not a big deal unless you're swimming laps, you know. I swim laps. I have a big lap pool at the place I'm at now. This is a beautiful aesthetic in this courtyard. I'm not going to lie, guys. It's very nice. And like I said, privacy is key here. There's no Airbnb. Security is tight as tight. You're not getting in here and walking around without having secure stuff. So if you're looking for the utmost privacy, here in Grand Marina so far are providing the best privacy. Okay. Anything else?
No, over there.
Okay. Dining hall. There's really no retail here yet, though. That's the problem too. There's one restaurant, I think. It's right here. It's literally just one. Like a Chinese restaurant, if I remember right. Yeah, the River Oriental. So that's the only thing in town, is the River Oriental. So there is a place to eat, at least. Chow.
In the afternoon or in the morning, the resident can go.
Work out here.
Yes, work here.
Yeah, everybody goes at dusk and dawn.
Yeah.
And then-
so this is the afternoon.
Yeah.
And
No one come out in the sun.
yes, yes.
And then this is the one restaurant, the Oriental, right?
That is the another restaurant.
Yeah, another restaurant. Yeah.
Yes.
And it's got coffee and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's the only restaurant here, right?
Over there and
The Chinese restaurant, right?
Lee Place.
Yeah, I remember. I looked at it once. We looked at this once, guys. This one is 60 million. It has a private elevator that leads up. And then it also has a public door, but it also has a private elevator that takes you up top. Oh, this one's furnished too.
I think we need to prepare something first. Open the curtain.
Sure. I just shoot the whole time and then I'll edit. I have like multiple cameras on.
Open and turn on the light.
Đúng rồi. Okay. I think I seen a girl do a video on this place already. All right, so this is the big boy unit. This is going to be the 60 million family unit. These prices are steep, but remember, these places here, like this one, you got total privacy. You have to understand there's absolutely no Airbnb going on here. There's very few people renting here. The facilities are super nice. So this is for somebody that wants absolute privacy like Grand Marina. Like this is a place where you're not going to get messed with. Some of these units we're going to look at, Airbnb is rampant, and I'm going to be honest with you. And if that's not a problem for you you're not going to find it to be a big deal. But for some of you, it's going to be a big deal. So this automatically just is way better than all the other units we looked for. They put a proper sized fridge in here, for one. They put an actual oven in. They put a nice inverter top, the same Cooper's Bush. They actually put a Bosch oven in. All the other ones should have an oven. I have no idea why they didn't. Truth be told. Nice washer and dryer room. They already installed a. So they've lived here too. It doesn't look like they've lived here. They've just put the washer and dryer in. Oops. Big kitchen. This resembles more of like a house. You know what I'm saying? And first master. This is furnished too, so for 60 furnished. You can probably usually tack off 5-10 million for non-furnished, by the way. So you could probably get this in the neighborhood of 50 for a non-furnished one. Same kind of bathrooms we've seen, some kind of closet, kind of a waste of space. I don't know if I'd want this closet. Maybe just bash this closet out and made this a huge bathroom is what I would have done, but to each their own. Is that what they're calling a third room? Oh, no, you can't. That's not a 3-bedroom. Oh, no, I'm tripping. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. Pretty spacious bedrooms. It's a pretty nice area, guys. Not gonna lie. Pretty nice. These are very nicely finished apartments. The price is steeper, but you're getting what you pay for, you know. If you want to be in the hot spot in the town and have a big apartment and have it turnkey, this place is great, you know. There's more units coming up as the weeks go on, the months go on. All these buildings are new, so they're opening floor by floor and doing handover as it goes. So it's very interesting. There's definitely some negotiations to be had here. If you're serious about living here, we'll get her done. And you've got the beautiful Gucci bag. So go Gucci bed. They already put internet in too, so they put VMPT. Looks like I would just switch to Viatel. All right, guys, let's take a look at the grounds. Okay, this is going to be the barbecue area, the cabana, the kids' playground, and a restroom. So let's see if this is a kid-friendly place. This is really going to be the nuts and bolts of if this is kid-friendly. So first things first, you got a cool little hangout right over here. You can just have like a coffee, hang out, sit with your friends, look around. Pretty cool. So there's little chill areas. Almost every apartment complex has these chill areas, and they've got plenty of them here. So that's pretty cool. I don't think they're calling this the barbecue area, but we'll find out. Let's see. This could be the barbecue area. Let's see if that's what they're calling it. There's nowhere to barbecue, so there's no way. Oh, it's over here. Okay. So it's right here. So all electric, which is what you want to see. Mokai Ba. 3 different ones. That's nice. Taken care of. Not the craziest, most aggressive like. Pretty big barbecue area though, I'm not going to lie. And a very mediocre kids playground. This is very afterthoughtish, but at least it's here, you know. I will say that. And then what's up here? A little footy court. So a little footy court for the kids as well. So I wouldn't say, I'm going to be, again, super honest with this stuff. This seems to be more so if you've got maybe an adult kid or a teenager, or if you're a couple. This is for people that have a bit of money and want to live in the finer things in life and want a bit of privacy.